And we're getting some snow today. I don't know how much of this the camera's picking up, but we got a kind of a whiteout kind of deal going here. I don't know if this will accumulate, but it's crazy to be out in it. Visibility's not so good. Let's go look over the bank into Canada. Maybe it's sunny and tropical over there. Something tells me it may not be the case. Wow, how about that? You can't even see over there today. That's crazy. And the river is pretty well froze up. Crazy, I tell you. Crazy. Just going on a little trail here. Oh wow, the river's all iced up in this section. You can barely see across the river into Canada. So they're getting it just as bad as we are. The wind's coming this way too, blowing north to south. What the hell? Gonna do a loop around the house here, take in the experience. Thankfully it's not very cold, it's only around 30. We've seen temperatures the last week or so minus 20 overnight. We've had the wood stove going most of last week because it was cold. You hear the trees creaking in the wind. They're not impressed. That's where the neighbor has his chickens. In the back of that little garage there is a chicken coop. I think he's got it all closed up today. But yeah, that's how the homestead looks in a storm. I don't know if the microphone's picking up, but the trees are all creaking in the wind. I imagine the trees are all brittle from how cold it was last week. It takes them a while to thaw out because it hasn't been very. This is probably the warmest day we've had in a week and a half. It's still below freezing, so I don't imagine the trees are thawing much. By the way, it's January 27th, 2014. The great blizzard of 14. We're all gonna die. How cool does that look? Almost looks Christmassy. Can you believe Christmas was over a month ago? What the hell is up with that? Alright, that's it for the tour.